Today we have Milan Kostic, founder of Prevail, LA's premier fitness boxing gym. He's here to get us knockout strong in this 15-minute at-home boxing workout. You don't need any gloves, just grab a pair of 2 to 5 pound dumbbells and let's hit it.
We're gonna start off with jumping jacks. So stay nice and light on our feet. We're having our hands touch above our head. Big range of motion, keeping your core tight. We're going for about 15 seconds. And now we're gonna switch. We're gonna get a good boxing stance and throw straight punches. So we're getting full extension, good rotation, turning those punches over. And again, our core is staying engaged, okay? You need that stability, trying to relax your hands and shoulders. Good. And now we're gonna go back to jumping jacks for 15 more seconds, staying light on those feet. Big range of motion, make sure you're breathing. Very good, guys.
Oh yeah.
Gotta get that blood
$1
flowing.
million baby today.
And back to straight punches. Good boxing stance, left foot's in front, punching straight out, turning those punches over, twisting through your core. Nice, guys. 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna go skier. So we're bringing our feet together, hopping from side to side. Same idea, staying light on our feet, keeping that core nice and tight. This is a great alternative to jumping rope. If you don't have a rope and you're on the road.
Totally.
And now we're gonna go uppercuts. So I want you back in a good boxing stance. Uppercuts, we're gonna keep our elbows bent at 90 degrees, turning our palms facing us. Just alternating each one, twisting through our hips, keeping that core engaged. Boxing's a great workout to tighten that core.
Oh yeah. You gotta think about it too, right?
Oh yeah. Keep the mind engaged while you're working out. Then you don't have to think about the working out so much.
Yeah, I like that.
Good. Staying light on those feet. Good. And back to uppercuts. Good boxing stance. We're gonna go right and left. Right and left, good. Palms facing you. And we're coming just past our own chin, so not too high. I don't wanna be punching past my head. That looks silly.
That was me then.
And from here, guys, we're gonna go just bouncing in our boxing stance. We're shifting from our front foot to our back foot. Okay, stay nice and light on our feet. Good. Make sure you're breathing through all of this. I know I barely am.
I like how you have your hands up too all the time. I always forget.
Yeah, you always want to protect the moneymaker. That's very important in boxing.
Moneymaker.
And here we're gonna go hooks. So we're gonna start with our right hook. We're bringing our elbow and fist on the same plane, twisting through our core. We're just going right, left, right, left. Good. And back to bouncing in a boxing stance, keeping those hands up. Take your time. And if you want, you can slowly start speeding it up.
Such a basic move, but it wears you out. My legs are burning.
And we're gonna go back to the hooks. Again, twisting through that core, pivoting the feet. Look at how my feet are turning, and that's driving my hips. So that's where the power really comes from if you're trying to develop that knockout punch, okay? All right, next warm up. We're gonna be running in place. This is gonna work our coordination a little bit too. We're gonna go uppercuts. And without breaking the rhythm, in 5 more seconds, we're gonna switch to straight punches. And go, straight punches. So keeping that same rhythm, staying light on the feet.
That's hard to coordinate.
Told you. We're gonna challenge you in a lot of different ways today. Boxing's a great workout. And now we're gonna punch straight up above the head without breaking the rhythm in our feet. You know you can do it. Keeping that core engaged. Good. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Side to side. Try not to break that rhythm. Almost done, and then we're gonna go into a quick stretch.
Oh, yeah.
Get those shoulders nice and loose, get those hips nice and loose. Good.
Is this every boxer's warm up or just yours?
This is just mine.
Oh man,
this
I
is
like
the Prevail
it.
way. And
This is every
relax.
morning.
All right, guys, we're gonna go arm circles. We're going backwards, keeping our arms straight as we can. Big circle, big as you can. Keep your core tight so that you can relax the shoulders. Big range of motion. And we're gonna switch directions now.
So good.
We're gonna go 3, 2, and 1. Next stretch is gonna be twist. So we're gonna get our feet a little wider than shoulder width apart. I'm gonna look over my left shoulder, pivot my right foot, and swing my arms against my body. And then we're gonna go the other direction. Try to look directly behind you. Get a big range of motion.
Oh yeah.
Should feel that through your torso. Good. And then last one, guys. we're gonna go speed skaters. Get a really, really wide stance. We're gonna do a deep side lunge, touch our foot, staying low, we're gonna go to the other side, back and forth. Keep that head nice and low. Good. Big range of motion. Yeah. Good. Take your time with that. Good. And relax. All right, everybody warmed up?
I feel warm. I'm ready for the workout.
Feel a little warm up. All right, guys, we're gonna mimic an amateur boxing match. We're gonna go 3 minutes of work, three 3-minute rounds, and then we're gonna take a 30-second active recovery. All right? So I want everyone to get in a good boxing stance. Our first minute, we're gonna hop forward, we're gonna throw our left, our right, and then we're gonna hop back. Okay? So we're gonna hop forward, left, right, hop back. Okay? We're gonna pick up the pace just a little bit and hop back. And you at home, go as fast as you can, but technique does come first. Boom. Keep that core engaged, stay nice and light on the feet, get full extension on the punches, jab, cross, and hop back. Hop forward, jab, cross, hop back. Good. Boom, boom, and back. Make sure you're breathing. You can give a little exhale with each punch and make sure that you're not holding your breath. So, and back. Hop forward, and back. Good. Good. All right, we got 15 seconds left, so let's pick up the pace. Go as fast as you can without losing the technique. Boom, boom, and back, and back. Good.
I like that. Now you're jabbing right as you jump, and that's a good challenge.
All right, guys, next exercise, we're gonna grab our weights, and we're gonna do oblique twists. So, we're gonna be bouncing on our butts. Try to have your feet up in the air. You're gonna be holding your weights right in front of your face, elbows up high, and we're gonna twist for a big range of motion. We're going for a minute. Good.
Wow.
Big twist through the torso. And if it gets too hard, you can always put the weights down and just go no weight. No shame in that. Good.
With those legs long, it's a really good challenge.
Oh yeah. You guys are doing great. Nice.
Oh, good bird. Love those. Love handles, feeling it.
Gotta get summer ready, guys.
Oh yeah.
And this is actually how you develop real punching power. There's a misconception that you need big, bulky muscles to hit hard, but really it comes from the rotation of your core.
Right.
And that comes from functional movement like this one. You guys are doing great. We got 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna go squat, lunge, lunge. So keep your weights. We're gonna squat down nice and deep. Step forward, right lunge, and then left lunge. Good. Squat nice and deep. Step forward, right lunge, push off hard, coming back, and left lunge. Good, guys. Squat, step forward.
Good old lunges.
Oh, good old lunges.
Ooh.
Good.
They never stop working for us.
No, they don't. All right, you guys are doing good. And again, we're keeping that core engaged throughout all of these movements. It's very important in boxing. You gotta be able to relax your shoulders, your hands, everything except for the core. That way you're always ready to punch and react. 10 more seconds. You guys are doing great.
Love it.
Oh yeah. And make sure when you guys are doing those squats, you're pushing the hips back and keeping the weight on the heels. All right, 30-second break. We're gonna keep our hands up with the weights and we're slipping from side to side, using our obliques to pull our head from side to side. And make sure you're keeping the hands up, protecting the face for that extra measure. Boom.
Ooh, abs, I like
There we
that.
go.
Back and forth.
Back and forth.
Tight core.
10 more seconds. You guys are doing great. All right. 3, 2, and 1. All right, round 2. We're gonna start off, same thing. We're gonna hop forward. We're gonna throw our jab, cross. We're gonna duck and throw our cross. And we're gonna hop back, okay? Just like that, hop in. 1, 2, duck. I'm bending at the waist and at my legs, and then I'm gonna come up and throw my cross, hop back. Hop forward, 1, 2, duck, and 3. Good, hop back, hop forward, 1, 2, duck, and cross. Good, hop back, and again, 1, 2, duck, and 3. Hop back, hop forward, 1, 2, duck, cross, and hop back. We got 20 seconds. Let's try and pick it up, all right?
All right.
Everybody go at their own pace, but let's push ourselves. Ready, and go. 2, hop, and back. Hop, 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 4, 1, 2, hop, and back. Come on, let's push. Let's get it. We only got 15 minutes. Let's make it count. Boom, boom, down, and back. Good. All right, we're on our backs.
Love it.
Another core exercise, holding on to the weights. We're gonna go palms to ceiling. So I'm reaching straight up, just getting my shoulder blades off the ground, exhaling on my way up, hold and squeeze for a second. Back down. Small range of motion, but it isolates the core.
Oh yeah.
There we go. And make sure you're exhaling on your way up. And hold. And hold.
That hold is so important too.
Yes. Yes. It also helps to eliminate any sort of jerking motion.
Yeah.
So we're really using our core to help lift our body. Good. And the weight's just a little extra resistance.
I
If
feel
you
that.
need, you can put the weights to the side. That's fine too. Good. We got 15 more seconds. You guys are doing great. Hopefully I'm not the only one sweating.
I'm sweating.
3, 2, and up on your feet. We're gonna put our weights to the side for this one. All right, so this is a little bit of plyometrics mixed with boxing. So we're gonna go down, we're gonna do a squat thrust. I'm gonna go down, keep my arms straight, shoot my feet out, keeping my back nice and flat, coming up, and I'm gonna throw 6 punches. 4, 6. Going down, shoot the feet out, bring them in, come up, 2, 4, and 6. Going down, shoot the feet out, coming up, 2, 4, and 6.
I like this. It's like a game.
2, 4, and 6. You guys are doing great. We're gonna pick up that pace the last 20 seconds and try and burn it out, okay? And go. Coming up, 2, 4, 6, down, boom. 2, 4, 6. Good. Here we go.
We're getting
2,
serious
4,
now.
6.
Hold on,
Oh,
this
yeah.
is serious.
Oh yeah. I'm getting ready for summer. I don't know about you
Man,
guys.
me too.
And last one right here, 2, 4, 6, and we've got a 30-second active recovery. So guys, hands up, nice and high. We're doing those slips, side to side, working those obliques. All right, coming up next, last and final round.
Oh yeah.
That's our championship round.
I like
all right? You gotta make that count.
Boxing is my new favorite sport.
You guys are doing great. Nice.
If I could look as cool as you, that'd be good too. But I'm working on it.
All right, guys, let's grab those weights.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna start off slow. Same thing, we're gonna hop in, and now we're gonna put all the punches together. We're gonna throw our jab, our cross, uppercut, uppercut, hook, hook. Now we're gonna hop back.
Oh boy.
Okay? All right, hop forward, jab, cross, upper, hook, hook, hop back. Make sure when you guys are punching, one hand is staying to protect the moneymaker, all right?
Okay.
So hop forward, jab, cross, upper, hook, hook. Good, and hop back. Hop forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back.
Oh, you just took it to the next level.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back. Hop forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hop back. Hop forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 10 seconds, let's burn it out. Whatever that looks like for you, let's push ourselves. Make sure you keep that core engaged. And now we're gonna go core exercise. We're gonna go plank. So, for this one, I like all my students to do it the same way. Back flat, feet together, hands apart. So, we're gonna go down, hands are apart, keeping that back nice and flat, the feet are together, and I'm looking straight down, okay? Trying to keep everything in alignment. I'm firing my glutes, firing my hamstrings, trying to connect my body so everything is nice and rigid, and I'm spreading the challenge. I don't just have it on my shoulders or just my core, I'm activating my entire body.
That's awesome, especially when you squeeze the thighs and the glutes, it helps.
Yeah, you gotta connect all of it. So boxing, you need to use the whole body as one unit. And this is a great exercise to help you develop that awareness. You guys are doing great, make sure you're breathing. Okay. 10 seconds left.
Woo!
3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and grab those hand weights. We're gonna go 10-second punch out. This is our last exercise.
Oh
all
boy.
right? So we're gonna go 10 seconds, as fast as we can, whatever punches you wanna throw. Ready, and go. Good. Make sure you're breathing. And even though we're going fast, I want good technique on those punches. So I'm throwing straight punches, and you see my hands are going all the way out, coming all the way back. and rest. When we're resting, we're just gonna bounce on our toes, keeping the weights in our hands. We're gonna go 3, 2, and punch out. This time I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna go uppercuts. So here I am. I'm keeping my core engaged. My shoulders are loose. Good. I'm not bringing those hands up too high. And back to bouncing. We've got one more. One more. This is the last one, so let's give it all that we got. 3, 2, 1, and go. Boom, boom. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. Jab, cross, upper, hook, hook.
I make weird faces when I do this.
And time. Guys, that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed the workout. You guys crushed it.
You're awesome.
Nice work.
Wow. Great workout.
Thanks, guys. That was awesome.